The South Korean stock market faces a crucial test this week against the backdrop of a number of key economic events, including the disclosure of Nvidia's earnings. Our economics correspondent Kim Jun-hong reports.
Monday's Korean stock market closed lower, with the benchmark KOSPI down 3.12% from the previous session. Market heavyweights closed lower, with Samsung Electronics down 8.7% despite last week's hopes for major shareholder returns. The market saw sharp swings last week as rising U.S. Treasury yields weighed on sentiment, pushing the KOSPI down to the 6,400 range at one point. Several key events could shape Korean stocks this week. First in focus is Nvidia's second quarter earnings scheduled for Wednesday local time. Markets expect another record result, with the outcome likely to shape sentiment toward global chip stocks.
If Nvidia beats expectations and offers a strong outlook for the AI cycle, especially for its new GPUs, that could lift market sentiment. Recent reports of possible GPU price hikes next year could also suggest continued strength in market demand.
The Jackson Hole gathering set for Friday local time will also be in focus in what could be one of the most closely watched symposiums in recent years. Fed Chair Kevin Warsh's speech will be the key event as investors look for clues on whether and when U.S. rates might rise. U.S. personal consumption expenditures, or PCE inflation data, will also be closely watched as it is the Fed's preferred measure of inflation. Meanwhile, the Bank of Korea will decide on its key interest rate on Thursday. The central bank raised the rate to 2.75% last month, signaling further hikes if needed. Since then, data closely watched by the BOK have come in positively, with second quarter growth beating expectations and consumption and income staying steady. However, inflation and high household debt still remain concerns for the overall economy and markets. Kim Jun-hong, 아리랑뉴스.